Hello teachers and welcome to a brand new school year. I hope you had a great summer recess. Well, my name is Ryan Timmons and I work for the Dana Center, and I'll be one of your guides here throughout the year in the community of practice. What we've got here first off is our brand new Math Fix. We'd like for you to engage with this task to look at a standard in your first unit and to explore what ideas that students might have with this task and ways that impacts our teaching. So please take a look and get excited about the Math Fix and other things that are coming in your communities of practice this year.
Today's Math Fix centers around 7.rp.2.d, explaining what points x, y on the graph of a proportional relationship means in terms of the situation, with special attention to the points 0, 0, and 1r, where r is the unit rate. Well, this Math Fix is all about reading and understanding the situations that graphs and data points represent. In this task, students are given a graph modeling a relationship between two quantities, and they must create a scenario that would fit the data and relationship displayed. The additional question around what the data points mean in the story helps students to discuss the data in real and contextual form. Not just the values, but what they mean in their story. The graph is a simple linear one that does, in fact, go through the origin. It can represent a relatively easy scenario, but sometimes it's the small details that often get at the heart of understanding and misconceptions for students. We have data points, but the graph is also continuous. Do students actually identify the independent and dependent variables? The rate seems to be somewhere between 1 and 2. How do the students justify their ideas of where it really is? Look for lots of ideas from the students, but also have them hold each other accountable for the true possible scenarios. Thinking of constant rates possibilities might be easy, but are they all continuous? What ways might we help the graph as it changes if you didn't use a continuous data set? There are a lot of possibilities here, and the variety is valuable to getting at student ideas about graphical data.
So that's our Math Fix. Please give it a whirl, try it out yourselves, see what things come up, what assumptions you made, and possibly ways that you think your students might engage with it as well. Once you've done that, leave us some feedback, some comments, and some likes below so we know that you're enjoying the work we're doing and you're giving thoughts on how these tasks impact the way that you instruct your students.